सर इधर आइए सर
So at around odd 45 hours today, train number 1819 Tatanagar to Ernakulam Express, a fire incident was reported at Elementary Station on 27th December. In this, the coaches B1 and M2 caught fire. The railway staff who were on board the train swiftly acted and immediately informed the fire brigade. They also swung into action immediately and escorted the passengers out from the affected coaches and tried to extinguish the fire using the fire extinguishers. However, the fire soon engulfed the coaches, so they separated the unaffected coaches from the main train, and so that only 2 coaches were ultimately affected, and in which the forensic team later on came and investigated, and we found unfortunately 1 deceased inside coach B1 passenger. तो वही पैसेंजर सुंदर Chandrasekhar Sundar, who was identified by their family, and railways have announced an ex gratia help of ₹5 lakhs to the kin of the deceased, and after this we called 2 extra coaches from Visakhapatnam to take care of the passengers who were travelling on board this train in these affected coaches, and the train was reformed and moved from the station towards its destination with all the. Further, CRS South Central Circle has undertaken a statutory inquiry into this, and currently the evidence collection by both forensics and Commission of Railway Safety is in progress. The dates for the inquiry by Commission of Railway Safety will be notified soon and will be informed to the public. Thank you.
सर एक्चुअली इधर आने के बाद रुका था ट्रेन, आते आते वो हादसा हुआ, कैसा?
The train was supposed to stop at this on account of spare crew to deboard at Elementary Station. While the train was stopped at Elementary, smoke was observed by one of the passengers near the toilet doors and this vestibule area, and then subsequently simultaneously the TT also observed the fire detection system which operated and alarms were sounded. So immediately they took into action and they tried to extinguish the fire using the fire extinguishers on board the coaches and informed the station master. They also ran with the fire extinguishers and tried to extinguish. At the same time, they asked all the passengers to disembark, and they ensured that all these 3 coaches, M1, M2 and B1 and B2, they are evacuated immediately to avoid any further injury to the passengers. So, yes, the train was stopped due to multiple accounts because of people detecting the fire, but it was already stationary at the station. Basic reason that is currently under inquiry. The forensics are currently they are just collecting the evidence right now. So after the forensics are done with their inquiry, we will also collect our evidences, other evidences, and a further inquiry will take place by a Commission of Railway Safety.
So Railway Commission is there? Is it Railway Commission is there?
Commissioner of Railway Safety is under Ministry of Civil Aviation, a statutory authority who conducts inquiry in all cases where passenger lives are involved.
अभी
వెనక్కి వెళ్ళు
బ్లూటూత్ ఎవరా
కనెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి
లైఫ్ టైంలో ఉంది వెళ్ళిపోతాను నేను వెళ్తాను
అది మార్నింగ్ నుంచి ఉన్నాం మేము అక్కడే ఇప్పుడు వచ్చి వెళ్ళిపోయారు మీరు లోపలికి
సారీ అది
లోపలికి ఎలా చేస్తారు చూసుకుని వెళ్తారు
తప్పదు సహజం సరే ఏమంటుంది మనం కూడా రెడీగా ఉన్నాం ఆడ పెడితే మనం కూడా రెడీగా ఉన్నాం ఓకేనా
మేము ఎలా చేస్తాం అర్థమైందా మేము చెప్తాం తర్వాత మీరు అందరినీ ఎలా చేస్తాం లోపలికి చెప్తారు అఫీషియల్ బైట్ సార్ మీరు పదండి మీకు ఎలా చేస్తారు పక్కన అర్థమైందా మీకు టైం ఇప్పిస్తాం మేము
నేను భాషలో కొంచెం ఇక్కడ అలాగే అంటే 5 నిమిషాలు మాట్లాడలేదు చూడు లైఫ్ టైం ఆపే మంచి నమస్కారం అండి మనకు ఎవరైతే సంబంధం లేదు బ్యాటరీ పక్కన కనబడిందో వీడియో తీసుకున్నాను అక్కడికి వెళ్దామా
रुक रही थी बिकॉज इसमें क्रू आ रहा था रिप्लेस करने के लिए जो दूसरी कुछ ट्रेन खड़ी थी उसके लिए क्रू से आ रही थी
రెడీ
Sir, एक night for national media, what was the primary information about this incident?
उसका नाम तो बता दो ढंग से.
चंद्रशेखर सुंदर. चंद्रशेखर सुंदर 70 years of age.
So today, in the early hours of today, at Elementary Station, the Tata Nagar Ernakulam Express was reported to have caught fire in the B1 coaches, which was subsequently spread to M2 coach, and M3 was also affected. The train was standing on the platform at Elementary Station when this incident was reported. So, with presence of mind, the TT and the coach attendants, they immediately alerted all the passengers and asked them to deboard on the platform, so to prevent any further loss of life. So, so they immediately deboarded the train, and subsequently the fire brigade was called from Elementary and from Anakapalli. They extinguished the fire, and subsequently now forensic teams from Visakhapatnam are collecting the samples for further forensic investigation into the cause of accident.
Sir, what about the rest of the passengers?
The passengers who were traveling on the remaining portion, unaffected portion of the train was recoupled along with additional coaches which were to replace these coaches, and the train was moved on for their destination.
Sir, did you identify any reason for the fire accident? Someone saying that due to the brake failure, something was happened at the
So,
or also it's human error.
see, all these aspects are looked into during the inquiry, and this is a statutory inquiry as well as the forensic inquiry. So all the samples have been collected at the location where the fire seems to have originated. So forensic team are still collecting samples. So based on their report and further investigation based on the data logger and all the systems CCTV footage from various sources, an inquiry will be conducted, and we'll get to the bottom of this to ensure that this does not happen in future.
Thank you, sir.
హలో ఎక్కడ
బీపీ చాలు.
నేను మీకు అయితే ఇంకేం చెప్పలేదు, ఇందాక చెప్పేసి. యా
సార్ రెడీ.
Yeah, last night one incident of fire took place in one train by name Tata Nagar to Ernakulam Express. When the train crossed Anakapalli station, nothing adverse has been noticed. And by the time the train was reaching Elementary railway station, some of the passengers in the B1 coach have noticed some fire. And immediately they alerted the TT and other staff of the train. And by the time the train came to Elementary railway station, it was brought to halt, and meanwhile all the passengers have been evacuated. Unfortunately, one person by name Sundar, who is 70 years of age, who is occupying berth number 12 of B1 coach, he lost his life while he was rescuing himself to come out of the train. So now the reasons for this incident are being investigated into, and right now the clues teams are on the job. The FSL teams have come. They are in the process of gathering the evidence.